Hello, everybody. I've time traveled into the past, the land before drivers, just for you OBS, Open Broadcast Studio users who, like me, have recently upgraded to version 28.0.1 and found yourself with this error message. Your current video card driver does not support this NVIDIA encoding version. Please update your drivers. Okay, that's understandable. So where is that? Just so you know, it's in settings, video. No, it's in output. Here is your encoder, hardware, NVIDIA, right? So there's a few other options, but that's the latest and greatest. So we'll keep it on that. So it's saying get the latest drivers. Okay, so we'll get the latest drivers. We can quit out of that. And latest drivers. Well, let's search on your current video card does not support blah, blah, blah. Oh, look, there's an exact match from this person. And their video is a little bit low resolution and it's silent. And, you know, you can do better. The internet's all about competition. Sure, they targeted this, but we can do better. So we'll go to the NVIDIA site. NVIDIA. And we'll go to their main homepage, right? Downloads. Driver downloads. Don't even need their homepage. Oh my goodness, look at all these options. Well, let's make that a little bit bigger. That person failed to do that on their last video. Let's push that over there. And over here, we don't really even want this. We just minimize that. And we want to go into where some of these questions can get answered that are being asked here. Oh, that's not a great user interface experience there. NVIDIA, no wonder. Okay, so that's just about readable there. We go into our device manager. Yes, it's our device manager. Another place we can't make the fonts much bigger, but we'll push that over there. We'll put this here, and we'll see if we can do this little trick here. And then we look down at our display adapters. Let's see what we have. Well, yes indeed, I am on an NVIDIA. Look at that, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, not bad. So we can put that on GeForce, and we can put this on, what is it, 10 series? 10 series notebooks. I'm on a notebook. 1060, GTX 1060, right? Yeah, that's a good match. Windows 1064, game ready driver, I don't know. Studio driver. I'm doing studio stuff. Search. Oh, look, download, nice and convenient. Is it downloading? Download includes an experience. Yeah, okay, that's what we want. Now it's downloading. All right. Doop, 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 doop. Yeah, the internet could always use some good competition because, you know, this person here, you look at that video, it's ugly stuff there. It's they didn't talk through it all, and no matter how much you zoom in, you can't see what's there because it's blurry and low resolution. Yeah, we're doing a much better job. Almost there. We're almost there. Make them suffer through your singing, 'cause we're just barely halfway there. Okay, so let's see. There's OBS Studio. We'll bring that up again. Device Manager, we're done with that. I guess I'll get ahead of myself here and bring up the downloads. Oh, look, you can see all the lovely free and open source software I've been installing on this machine for upcoming demonstrations. GIMP, Inkscape, Blender. Yes, there are some good videos coming. But this is the one we're interested in right here. That will switch into the downloaded driver file. All right, there we go. Now there's going to be different experiences we can choose from. There's the deluxe everything NVIDIA experience, and then there's the just give me my driver experience. So we're going to do just give me my driver. When complete, the driver installation will start. So this is really just saving the files of the installer to your computer. This is not the installer yet. And just so you know, I have an integrated, NVIDIA card in my laptop. In this particular laptop, it's got 2 video cards, in fact. That's why when we went into the device manager, there were 2 different video display adapters seen. All right, so now we can get out of this, focus just on this, right? So here's our 2 experiences. Just the driver. Agree and continue. Never scroll on these agreements if you ever need to deny that you agreed. If you scroll just a little bit, update existing drivers, then they got you. That implies you read it. So on these agreement things, if you don't plan on truly reading it and absorbing it and internalizing it and abiding by it, don't scroll. Removing the previous version is what it says there. All right. Oh, another mistake that other person's video made is that in the OBS software, they actually had displaying the OBS's user interface turned off, so you couldn't see what the actual problem was. It still helped a lot of people. It has nearly 600 views and is accumulating the likes for lack of anything better, because there's a unique challenge in shooting this kind of video, right? Because your screen capture software isn't working, right? Yeah, so as a long time Camtasia, customer, I went back to one of my old versions where they, let me use a serial number because, you use up your serial numbers and you have to get new ones issued and only have it in certain number of machines. And so in my estimation, about the only reason left for non-free and open source screen capture software is so that you can screen capture non-working free and open source screen capture software. It's a contingency plan. C for contingency. Thank you very much. Tech Smith contingency. All right, we're waiting through an install. Shall I chat you up? Yeah, display settings. Look, now right click. You can go to display settings on my laptop. It jumps me in here to my display settings. Not much you can do in here. There's a lot of red herrings in this process. This is why these videos get so popular, because there's so many things you might think to do and only one that does it well. So we're going to restart later and we're going to see if it fixes it. Ugh.
There's a lot of myths and misconceptions when it comes to computers.
Yeah. Ugh. Okay. All right. Now we go into OBS again and see if it works without a restart, right? 2 things happen. It wasn't capturing my desktop, and there is my desktop there. My camera isn't showing, but I won't waste your time on that. Let's just hit start recording. There it is. Ta-da! Stop recording. And file, show recordings. It's my most recent one. Just hit start recording. There it is. There it is. Ta-da! Ta-da! All right, can we get the camera back on? Yeah, well, probably that's what's happening with the restart, right? The restart will get me everything back. So, I'm not going to do it just now, but there you have it. NVIDIA driver updated and the new version of OBS Studio working for you. You're welcome. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, all the rest. Let that other person know what you think of their terrible version. And later, Gators.